Hey guys, good morning, namaste and welcome back to our vlog Jay Kharka vlogs. It's me Yasna Chaudhary all the way from Nepali Pep Thako Devi Jogendra Bhagat School. आज हाम्रो स्कुलले एक्जिबिसन डे अर्गनाइज गरेको छ र यहाँ एक्जिबिसनमा साइन्स, सोशल, म्याथ अनि कम्प्युटर एक्जिबिसन छ। धेरै स्टुडेन्टहरुले धेरै मेहनत गरेर राम्रो राम्रो प्रोजेक्ट बनाउनु भएको छ। लेट्स हैव अ लुक अन एक्जिबिसन। Hey girls,
Hello.
how are you?
We are fine.
Can you please explain me about your project?
It's our green and clean environment. A green and clean environment is a plenty of harmony and urban. We should clean our environment. It gives us fresh oxygen air. Our green and clean environment have parks, waters and many more things.
Thank you.
Be welcome.
Hi brother.
Hi sister. Hi
Can you
group.
explain me about your project? Let's start.
Hi, it's me MD Murshid Alam on the behalf of Class 5 Diamond. Today I am here to present my project towards you. Today I am going to talk about lungs. So let me begin with it. Lungs are very important organs of our body. We have two lungs inside our chest. They help us breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Oxygen gives us energy to live and work. We should keep our lungs healthy by staying clean air and not smoking.
Hi brother.
Hi sister,
How are you?
fine.
Can you explain me about your project?
Yes.
Start it.
Today I am in this fine morning. I am Vivek Sharma all the way from grade 7th ML with my project water cycle. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on above and below the earth or surface. It begins with evaporation, where heat from that sun turns water into water vapor. This water vapor rise into the atmosphere and cools down to form clouds through condensation. When the clouds become heavy, water fall on to the earth, and it's process from the water cycle, and it is the whole process of water cycle. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello brother.
Hi sister.
How are you?
I am fine.
And can you please explain me about your project?
Yes, my name is Adarsh Yadav. I am from grade 7 Emerald. This is our project name is Magnetic Force and Alternative Sources of Energy. Magnetic force is a force that attracts or repels magnetic materials. It acts between magnets and objects made up of iron, nickel or cobalt. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy and vice versa. Alternative sources of energy are sources that do not depend on fossils. They are solar, wind, hydroelectricity, geothermal. We can use this energy repeatedly. Thank you.
What is the use of this energy?
What? This magnetic energy?
Yes.
With the help of magnetic energy, with the help of magnet, this motor will revolve. With the help of it revolve, we can just like we take example of meal. In meal, we should grate that spices. With the help of magnets, we can also grate that spices. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi Akriti.
Hi, yes, my sister.
How are you?
I am fine, sister.
What's the topic of your project?
Good morning, sister. Today I am 5 Today I am here for science aviation. So let me begin with it. Today the rotation of the Earth is a movement of Earth spinning on its axis. It helps us to understand time like morning, afternoon, evening, night. It helps. It affects in our life also, and it exists or the earth takes 24 hours to complete one fully day. Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Namaste, it's me Mandeep Tiwari from class 5 Diamond. Today I am here to present my project work of science. Okay, let's begin with it. The topic of my project is solar system. There are 8 planets in solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Let's explain about this planet. Mercury, it is the nearest planet to the sun. Venus is the brightest and the morning and evening star. Earth is only one planet that have life and air, water. Mars is called a red planet. It has two moons. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It knows that there are beautiful rings around it. Uranus. Uranus is the second coldest planet in the solar system. It is also called a green planet. Last and final, we have Neptune. It is the blue planet. It has 16 moons. Thank you.
Thank you. Explain about your project, please.
My product is electric fan. Electric fan is a common electronic appliance. Is used to keep us cool. It is widely used in home, school, office, shops, especially during hot weather. It has main parts such as electric motor, blades, protective guards, and a switch and a stand or body. When we on the switch like this, when we on the switch, it is flow the electric motor, and electric motor change electric energy into mechanical energy, and blade rotate. When a blade rotate, it push air forward and creating a cooling breeze. Thank you.
Hi, girls. Hi. Take it. Can you explain me about your project?
Yes, my name is Hira Khatri. I am from class 6 Samral. Today I am here for exhibition. My project work is pinhole camera. Pinhole camera is a simple device used to show how the light travels in a straight path. Pinhole camera is a simple camera without a lens and with a single pinhole. The pinhole camera is an inverted camera that always travels in a straight path. Thank you.
Hi, Asmita.
Hi, sister.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Can you explain me about your project?
As I can, this is water purification process. So, the process of cleaning our impure water into pure water is called water purification.
Can you explain me about your project?
Yes, of course, sir. Good morning, namaste, and welcome to our project. It's me, Badal Shah, and it's me, Ansa, all the way from grade 7. So, today in this fine morning, we are standing in front of you all to explain our science project on the topic of heat and sound production by chemical reaction. So, without further delay, we would like to draw your attention on our project.
Okay.
Heat and sound can produce loud sounds and heat. So, in exothermic reaction, heat is released as the form of energy. This heat is produced when new chemical bonds are formed. Some chemical reactions also produce sound. For example, rapid reaction and explosions create loud sounds. Firecrackers produce heat, light, and sound due to the chemical reaction. It depends on the how many chemicals are involved in it. So it is important in our daily life in fuels and fireworks etc. Thank you. We can see here is chemical carbide and here is water. It reacts with the water. Chemical carbide reacts with the water and it produces gas. And when the lighter spark it and it produces heat and sound. So you may test it. That sounds nice, sir.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. to visit
Thank
our
you.
project.
Thank you so much. Good morning.
मर्निङ हामीले मानव विकासको चरण बनाएको छौँ मानव विकास कर्म भन्नाले मानव प्रजातिको उत्पत्ति र विकासको प्रक्रियालाई बुझाउँछ जसरी हामी अहिले हामी त विभिन्न युगमा बाँचिरहेको छौँ जस्तै अहिले हामी आधुनिक युगमा छौँ तर मानवमा पहिला त्यति चेत थिएन र उनीहरू पहिला ढुङ्गे युगमा बस्थे र उनीहरू गुफामा बस्ने गर्थे उनीहरू गुफामा बस्थे र उनीहरूलाई यो समाज भनेको के हो भन्ने कुरा के पनि थाहा थिएन उनीहरू निरन्तर जीवन बिताउँथे र कन्दमूल खोजेर खान्थे बिस्तारै उनीहरूमा चेत आउँदै गयो र उनीहरू समूहमा बस्न थाले र पशुपालन कृषिमा लाग्न थाले र उनीहरू ढुङ्गे युगदेखि बिस्तारै कृषि युगमा प्रवेश गरे र उनीहरूले आगोको विकास गरे समाजमा बस्न थाले र उनीहरू बिस्तारै अहिलेको युग आधुनिक युगमा आइपुगे धन्यवाद
Thank you. Hi, girls. Can you explain me about your project?
Yes. यो समा र चकेबा हो समा चकेबा मिथिला क्षेत्रमा मनाइने एउटा परापूर्व कालदेखि नै मनाउने एउटा लोक कथा हो समाजकेवा भाइ र बहिनी हुन्। उनीहरू एकअर्कामा निकै प्रेम माया दर्शाएका थिए। समालाई नराम्रो सन्देश मतलब नराम्रो काम गरेको कारणले उनलाई वनवास भेजियो, तर यो कुरा झुटो थियो। चुग्ला भन्ने मानिसले उनको बारेमा नराम्रो कुराहरू फैलाएका थिए र उनलाई दण्ड भेटियो। यसै कारण यो वर्षको एकचोटि छठको 4 दिनपछि र 8 दिनसम्म मनाइने एउटा यो लोककथा हो। यो कथाले हामीलाई समाजको परिवारको माया प्रेमलाई एकतालाई दर्शाएको छ। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद। Can you explain me about your project?
Wonder City. This is social project and this is volcano. Thanks.
Thank you. Good morning. Explain गर्न सक्छौ?
नमस्कार। आज म तपाईहरुलाई ट्राफिक नियमको ओभर स्पिड तथा गाडी चलाउँदा मोबाइलको प्रयोगको बारेमा बोल्न गइरहेछु। सडकमा थोरै पनि लापरवाही गरियो भने धेरै क्षति हुन सक्छ र तपाई गाडी चलाउँदा मोबाइल फोनको प्रयोग गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने गाडीलाई साइडमा पार्किङ ठाउँमा गएर कुरा गर्नुहोस् र गाडी कहिले पनि ओभर स्पिडमा नचलाउनुहोस्। कुनै पनि गन्तव्य ढिलो पुग्नु कुनै ठूलो समस्या होइन, घर नपुग्नु सबैभन्दा ठूलो समस्या हो। त्यसैले म अन्तमा यही भन्न चाहन्छु कि धैर्य र सावधानीपूर्वक ट्राफिक नियमको पालना गर्नुहोस् र ओभर स्पिड र गाडी चलाउँदा मोबाइलको प्रयोग कहिले नगर्नुहोस्। हस्त। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद। Hello. Can you please explain me about your project?
Why not? Namaste.
Namaste.
You're welcome to our exhibition.
Thanks a lot.
I'm Hina Singh with my friend Priyanka Joshi and Priyasa. हामीले चाहिँ हैन म्याप अफ नेपाल बनाएको छौं। यसमा चाहिँ हामीले आज भन्दा चाहिँ हामीले एउटा म्याप बनाएको छौं अनि यहाँ हामीले यो म्याप यो नेपालमा हाम्रो प्रदेशहरु छ नि त्यसको हामीले यहाँ गरेको छ। यो चाहिँ एउटा गेम छ हैन, जस्ट फर इन्टरएक्टिभ वेमा चाहिँ बच्चाहरुलाई गेम खेलाउँदै हामीले चाहिँ हाम्रो देश नेपालको प्रदेशहरुको बारेमा जानकारी गराउनको लागि यो गेम बनाइएको छ हैन। जस्तै कि अब यो कोशी छ हैन, यो कोशी प्रदेश अनि यो हामीले मिलायौं भने यहाँ बत्ती बल्छ।
Can you please give me an example?
You may. I may. Sorry. See, like this हामीले यो गर्यौं भने यहाँ बत्ती बल्छ हैन।
Okay.
अब यस्तै गरी हामीले यो हाम्रो देश नेपालको 7वटा प्रदेशको यहाँ जस्तै कि अब यहाँ हाम्रो कुन छ कोशी, मधेस, बागमती, गण्डकी, लुम्बिनी, कर्णाली, सुदूरपश्चिम, 7वटै हाम्रो प्रदेशहरुलाई यसमा यसरी मिलाएर तपाईले यो गेम जित्नु भयो भने हामीले विल बी गिभिङ वन चकलेट हैन एज अ वाटर प्राइज। अनि यो यसको मेन उद्देश्य भनेको चाहिँ इन्टरएक्टिभ वेमा बच्चाहरुलाई चाहिँ लाइक इन्टरएक्टिभ वेमा बच्चाहरुलाई जस्तै अब बच्चाहरु भनेको त सानो हुन्छ नि तिनीहरुलाई गेममा बढी इन्ट्रेस्ट लाग्छ। द्याट्स वाइ हामीले यो गेमको तरिकाबाट बच्चाहरुलाई चाहिँ जानकारी गराउन सक्छौं, उनीहरुलाई नलेज दिन सक्छौं। सो द्याट्स वाइ मेरी यु मे ट्राई यु मे प्ले प्लिज। Like all you have
We will be going, please.
Okay, thank you so much for visiting.
Thank you. Hi Ayush.
Hi, sister.
Can you please explain me about your project?
Yes. This project titled as Math Park, so it is designed to show you that math is just not on a formula. It is all around us. Let's start with geometry. This study of shape. Take a look in this circle. The circle have different parts. There is the longest chord is diameter, and this is arc. And when we got in the half, not half, but more than half, it is sector. And the whole perimeter of this circle is known as circumference. And here take a look in this triangle. Triangles are classified by two ways according to their sides and according to their angles. According to these angles, they are also classified into 3 types: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. This acute angle triangle, all sides are acute, below than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Its total degree is 60 degree, and in right angle triangle, one of the angle is exactly 90 degree, and in obtuse angle triangle, one of the side is obtuse, greater than 90 degree and below than 180 degree. Here you can take a look in this coordinate plane. This coordinate plane is used to plot and graph to any points. Here is there are four quadrants in coordinate plane: first quadrant, second quadrant, and third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. And this is a linear pair of angle. This linear pair of angle is when the two adjacent angle is combined and the total sum is 180 degree. And when this is a movable, if it is movable, and it is movable because when you adjust the angle in any way, the total sum always will become 180 degree. And this is a number line. This is number line, and this number line is the foundation of our number system. Here is a negative and positive integers relation to 0, and the heart of our geometry. This is a protector. This is a arc. When the angle is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, it is a acute angle. And when it is exactly 90 degree, it is a right angle. And more than when it is a more than 90 degree and below than 180 degree, it is obtuse. And when the angle is exactly 180 degree, it is a straight angle. And this is a factor tree. This factor tree is made to, it's crucial because it tell us about the number and their properties. Here we have taken the example of 120. And if you want to get more information about this project, you can see here about and scan this QR code. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can you explain me?
Yes, sir. Namaste, sister. My name is Anushka Kumari Shah, all the way from grade 6 Emerald. Today I am here for math experiment. My topic is math garden. I have made this project by using different things, just like cardboard, some colorful papers, glue gun, geometric things, etc. As you can see here, there are many different. I have used triangular shape for making these trees, and rectangle square for making a square these things. And there are many symbols, math symbols, like these are prime numbers which can divisible by itself by not other numbers. I have written here some formula, like formula of a square 4L, formula of triangle sum of all side, total surface area of 6L. I have used here by in this project tree, leaf, and I have used here this stone to look this project more attractive and beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hi, Titharas.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Can you explain me about your project?
Yes. This is the types of angle: right angle, obtuse angle, and acute angles. Right angle means exact 90 degree. Obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. And acute angle means less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree. This is the parts of angle: arms, vertex. Vertex means when the arms meet in one point, that is called vertex. And this is angle. This is types of lines: perpendicular line, parallel line, intersecting line, and horizontal line. And these are the parts of circles, like semicircle, diameter, center, sector, segment, chord, radius, and arc. And this is the symbols that are used in math for solving the problems. This is plus, multiply, minus, divide, equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, percent, square root, pi, by, summation, and infinity. Thank you for visiting my stall.
Thank you so much.
It's me Virat on the behalf of grade 5 Emerald. Today I am here for the project of math exhibition. I am going to tell you about this project. We can attach the nail into nail. The light will glow, then the answer is correct. The light will didn't glow, then the answer is wrong. You can play the game now.
Thank you. Hi, Aditya.
Of course. Would you like to see my project working?
Yes, can you explain it?
Yes, why not? So this is our ultrasonic sensor which senses any object in front of here. This is Arduino UNO, which is the hot and coding is here, and here is L298 driver which controls the voltage. So you can see it continuously moves without any if there is no interference. If there comes any interference, then it turns back, checks the directions, and turns to the direction with the more space. It will keep running until the charge is there. all all things are coded here. This is left open because we want to show how the wiring works, the connections and all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi Anmol.
Hi.
Can you explain me about your project?
Yes, I can explain you. Hello everyone, this is my project named Smart Dustbin. It is made up of microbit sensors and servo motor. It is used in many fields like like hospitals, office, etc. Its main purpose is to be cleanness, management of cleanness. It is the computer project. All the program are coded in it. It opens like this. It sends our hand or any objects and it opens. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hi Arsi. Can you please explain me about your project?
Why not? This is a radar system. Like it is made of Arduino, US sensor, and servo motor. The Arduino is the main controller of this program, and it processes the servo motor and US sensor. And the servo motor helps the US sensor to detect, and it helps the US sensor to move around it, and the US sensor is used to sense. As you can see, if I put my hand in front, the object is detected over here. Let me just. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Hi Ramanan.
Hello.
Can you explain me about your project?
Yes, please. Of course, it is our robotic firefighter, which is generally used for deducting fire and control itself by throwing water on it. It is in modern age we use it as to control that fire, and there is two sensors used in it to detect the fire flame and control it. There is Arduino and which receives information about through sensing that flame and passes to relay module, and after that it operates starts to throw water, and like that it helps to control fire. Thank you. We can see the model. It automatically you operates to control fire by through detecting it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Hi Pratik.
Hello, Mitu.
How are you?
I am fine.
Can you please explain me about your project?
I have two projects and one pagoda celly and one printer. What do you like to know about it?
Both.
Both. First, you will not like
This time.
पेगोडा शैली पेगोडा शैली नेपालको पारम्परिक शैली हो। यस शैलीका मन्दिरहरू बहुतले 2, 3 वा 5 तले हुन्छ। प्रत्येक तलेमा छाना बाहिरतर्फ फैलाएको हुन्छ। छानाको माथिल्मा गजर राखिएको हुन्छ। काठका झ्याल ढोकाहरू निम्न पारेको हुन्छ। नेपालबाट पेगोडा शैली विभिन्न देशमा फैलिएको छ, जस्तो कि चीनमा, जापानसम्म फैलिएको मानिन्छ। हाम्रो देश नेपालमा केवल 5 वटा पेगोडा शैली भनिन्छ। त्योहरू यस प्रकार छ: न्यातापोल मन्दिर, काठ मण्डप, पशुपतिनाथ, तलेजु भवानी मन्दिर एन्ड चमुनारायण मन्दिर। यो सबै पगोडा शैली मानिन्छ। धन्यवाद।
Hi bro.
Hi, sister.
How are you?
Fine.
Can you explain me about your project?
Okay, sister. It's me, Himanshu Yadav. Today I am going to explain about air conditioner. And air conditioner is also known as AC. AC is used in our daily life. It is used in mall, vehicles, hospitals, office, etc.
Hi Asik.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm also fine. Can you please explain me about your project?
Of course. Today we have made a robot, and today we are going to explain about our robot and do practical about robot. Robot is a branch of technology that deals with design, construction, and use of robots.
It combines engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence to create machines that can work tasks automatically. Robots are used in industries like manufacturing, in healthcare, agriculture, and space exploration. Robots they can increase efficiency, accuracy, and safety by handling their works by handling human works with it. Some robots are designed to work alongside with humans, while others operate independently. Robots use sensors to sense the environment and to do tasks. For more like this, our robot name is Immortal Ravan, and you can get more information by scanning this website.
Okay. Can you show me your project?
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.